Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we bring you the latest updates, reviews, and everything automotive. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the notification bell so you never miss out on our awesome content. Today, we have something really exciting lined up. We're going to dive deep into the upcoming 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R motorcycle that has already captured the attention of enthusiasts and riders alike. So, if you're a fan of two-wheelers and want to know all the ins and outs of this machine, stay tuned. The Hero Xtreme 125R, set to hit the streets in 2026, promises to raise the bar for the 125cc segment in India and beyond. Hero has already made a name for itself with the Xtreme series, and the 125R looks to take that legacy further. This new model is expected to combine sleek design, enhanced performance, and modern features that make it a standout in the ever-competitive 125cc motorcycle market. So, let's take a closer look at what we can expect from the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R. At first glance, the 125R will grab your attention with its aggressive design. The sharp, edgy lines and muscular stance reflect the powerful nature of the motorcycle while maintaining the signature Hero Xtreme aesthetic. The overall look is sporty yet functional, making it appealing to both young riders and seasoned motorcyclists alike. Now, let's talk about the design. Hero has made some interesting decisions here, with the 2026 Xtreme 125R looking very modern, yet it has elements that reflect Hero's classic approach to making sturdy and reliable bikes. First, let's talk about the front end. The 125R features a redesigned headlamp unit with LED DRL's daytime running lights for better visibility and an aggressive look. This headlamp unit is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly functional, offering a bright and focused beam to improve nighttime visibility. The fuel tank design has been sharpened, with a sculpted shape that improves aerodynamics and provides a more comfortable riding experience. The sleekness of the tank, combined with the bike's overall compact structure, helps reduce the overall weight and improve fuel efficiency, which is something every 125cc rider looks for. The tail section is equally sporty, with a split grab rail, modern tail lamp, and a well-integrated number plate holder that complements the overall design. The riding position is slightly aggressive, but still quite comfortable, making it suitable for both city commuting and weekend rides. Another highlight of the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is the high-quality materials used in the build. The body panels are made from durable plastics that are designed to handle wear and tear, while the frame is lightweight yet strong, offering excellent stability on the road. Moving on to the heart of any motorcycle, the engine. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is expected to be powered by a 125cc, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. Hero has fine-tuned this engine for performance, efficiency, and reliability. On paper, we're looking at an engine that should produce somewhere around 12 to 13 horsepower, which is a significant improvement over the current generation. This means that the Xtreme 125R will offer better acceleration and a more thrilling ride, especially for riders looking for something with a bit more power. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, ensuring smooth shifting and making it more suitable for both city traffic and highway cruising. Additionally, Hero is expected to equip the Xtreme 125R with a refined fuel injection system that optimizes fuel efficiency, which is crucial for a 125cc bike that will likely be used for daily commutes. The overall performance should be quite impressive, with a good balance of power and torque. Expect this bike to be nimble on the streets, with smooth handling, quick acceleration, and a pleasant top speed that should be perfect for city roads and light touring. When it comes to suspension, the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is expected to feature a telescopic fork at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear. This combination will offer a comfortable yet firm ride, especially over city roads where potholes and uneven surfaces are common. The telescopic front fork is designed to handle bumps with ease, and the twin shock absorbers at the rear should provide additional comfort and stability. Together, this setup will allow riders to enjoy a smooth experience while maintaining control over the bike, even during aggressive riding. In terms of handling, Hero has made sure that the Xtreme 125R is highly maneuverable. Whether you're navigating through city traffic or taking on tight corners, the bike is expected to offer precise control, which is important for new and experienced riders alike. Now, let's talk about safety. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R will be equipped with both front and rear disc brakes for superior stopping power. The disc brakes will offer better performance compared to drum brakes, especially at higher speeds. We're also expecting the bike to come with a single-channel ABS anti-lock braking system, which is great for added safety, particularly in slippery or emergency braking situations. Additionally, Hero may include some modern features like a side stand indicator, engine kill switch, and enhanced reflectors for added visibility at night. These simple yet effective features contribute to rider safety and ensure that the rider has peace of mind while on the road. In terms of tech, the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is packed with some exciting features. It's expected to have a fully digital instrument cluster that displays all the necessary information, such as speed, fuel efficiency, trip information, and a gear position indicator. This digital screen will not only provide important data, but will also add a modern touch to the bike's dashboard. The Xtreme 125R will also come with Bluetooth connectivity, allowing riders to pair their smartphones with the bike. This feature will allow for call, message, and music notifications right on the display, making it easier to stay connected while riding. Other expected features include LED indicators, a USB charging port for your devices, and perhaps even a new keyless start system for added convenience. These features will make the Xtreme 125R an excellent option for anyone who values both performance and technology in their motorcycle. Comfort is a key factor when considering a bike for daily use, and the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R doesn't disappoint in this department. The seat is designed for long-distance comfort, with a cushioned ergonomic shape that minimizes fatigue during extended rides. The riding posture is aggressive, yet not too extreme, making it suitable for both daily commuting and longer rides. The handlebar positioning and foot peg placement are optimized to provide a good balance of control and comfort. Whether you're riding in traffic or cruising on an open road, you'll feel at ease. The bike's lightweight design further enhances its agility and maneuverability, making it easy to navigate tight spaces, which is a great feature in urban settings. Now, let's talk about one of the most important factors when purchasing a new bike: price. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is expected to be priced competitively in the 125cc segment, which is an important consideration for young riders, students, and daily commuters. Given its features and overall performance, the price should fall in the mid-range, making it an attractive option for people looking for a well-rounded motorcycle without breaking the bank. In terms of competition, the Xtreme 125R will face stiff competition from other popular 125cc motorcycles, including the Honda CB125R, the Yamaha FCX, and the Suzuki Gixxer 125. However, Hero's strong brand reputation and a good balance of price and features might just make the Xtreme 125R the preferred choice for many. The 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R is shaping up to be a fantastic motorcycle that blends performance, comfort, and technology, making it an excellent choice for young riders and those looking for a reliable 125cc bike. With its sharp design, powerful engine, advanced features, and competitive pricing, the Xtreme 125R has the potential to dominate the 125cc segment. Of course, we'll have to wait until its official release to see how it performs in the real world, but from what we've seen so far, it's definitely something to look forward to in 2026. If you're considering upgrading your ride or buying a new 125cc motorcycle, the Xtreme 125R is one to keep an eye on. That wraps up our in-depth look at the 2026 Hero Xtreme 125R. What do you think about this upcoming bike? Are you excited to see it on the roads? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the name and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future content. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.